Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can teleport to the Volcanic Cavern and Fish It Roblox. So in the new update, there is a new area. It's called Volcanic Cavern, and here I'm going to show you how you can go to that exact location. So first, you need to put on the hazmat suit to be able to teleport to the Volcanic Cavern. And the hazmat suit is not free. You need to complete a quest first by talking to the hazmat leader, and after you get it, you can just find it on the item list. This is the hazmat suit. It will enable you to travel to the lava basin. So just put it on like this. Now hazmat suit is on. Now you can just go to here, click on teleport. Oops, let's put it on again. Okay, teleport to the Volcanic Cavern, and that's it. So here I've already inside the Volcanic Cavern. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.